So for tonight, kasama natin si Miss Catherine Veluseta. At siya ay awarded ng Premier Achiever Outstanding Business Leader. So, ma'am, good evening po.
Good evening everyone.
Ayan po. So ma'am, alam ko naman na sobrang saya nyo ngayon kasi yun naman talaga yung nararamdaman ng isang taong nakaka-receive ng award. So, pwede nyo po bang elaborate sa amin ano po ang pakiramdam nyo ngayon na meron po kayong award na na-receive?
I'm grateful to be named as Premier Achiever Business Leader Awardee. And I'd like to thank La Vista Corporation and Servicio Channel for recognizing the work that we do at Tata Consultancy Services Philippines. And congratulations to all the other winners and God bless us all.
Yan po. So, ma'am, alam ko po na hindi po ito yung first time na makareceive ng award. Pero, would you mind, ano po ang pinagkaiba po ng Southeast Asia Premier Business Award sa ibang award-giving bodies natin?
I think the distinct benefit of being recognized at the Southeast Asian Premier Business Awards is that we are recognized for the efforts that we do in the marketing space. And through the help of our business media partners, such as Business Mirror and Business World, the amplification of what we do in TCS Philippines is being represented in the market.
Okay po. So ma'am, last na lang po. Pwede niyo po bang i-share sa ating mga viewers kung ano po ang inyong secret to success?
My secret to success is hard work, dedication, and focus on the job at hand. And of course, I dedicate the success to my family. I'm with my mom today, with my sister Camille, and of course, my husband Alex.
Okay po. So muli po, mula sa Servicio at La Visual Corporation po, congratulations po, Miss Catherine.
Thank you so much, everyone. Take care.
Thank you po. Okay na po.